Unlock the secret to a thriving hospitality career. Curious how? Keep watching. Meet Chef Amar Molki.
Hi, I'm Chef Ammar, Executive Chef of Mafi Kitchen, Bangalore. Digital learning with the opportunity to practical training with the leading brands of the country. In today's world where digital learning is important, 65% in the learning in the global become by digital way. So, Evanih is a country's only the first and 100% digital learning solution offering more varieties of courses. Evanih partners also with the leading brands and offering practical training. So, what you are waiting for? Go grab your seat and become successful hoteliers with Evanih. Thank you.
Enroll today at www.evanih.com and turn your dreams into reality with Evanih. Your hospitality career awaits. On behalf of the Evanih team, we thank you for all your support and guidance. See you on the platform.